If you've been on this channel for a while now, you'd know that I do not like to spend a lot of time on one pot of food. I don't want to cook forever. So one of the things that I do to ensure that my cooking process is as quick as possible is that I make my garlic cubes. Now, before, I used to just blend my garlic and ginger together and then I put it in one container and keep it in the freezer. But I got to realize that if I want to cook something like impromptu and I forgot to take out my garlic, and I would have to wait for my garlic to defrost, or I would have to still go back to the process of peeling and blending like fresh garlic because I don't have my garlic defrosted yet. So I decided that I was going to start making garlic cubes. And so you just go ahead, peel your garlic. If you want to make garlic and ginger, I had some ginger in these, but it was really small, so I can't say this is garlic and ginger paste. This is garlic paste, right? My ginger was really small. So I just go ahead to blend my garlic and then I put it in this what do I call these things, this I don't know, most times people use it for water, but I use it to freeze my pepper, make my pepper cubes, make my garlic cubes, my ginger cube, whatever spices cube I want to make. I use this to make it, right? I had been looking for the silicone version of this and I finally found it. But yeah, at this point I was still using this one, and I'll show you guys how you can easily take out your garlic cubes from this. I remember posting a video and I was saying that when I make my garlic cubes in this particular molder, it's difficult to remove it because it's hard. If you break it, it will crack. So a subscriber explained to me in detail in the comment section and even shared a link to a video showing me and demonstrating how I could take out my cubes from this mold, and I'm so grateful for that person. And then my friend Sassy of Mutombo Daily, she also sent me a video of herself taking out water from this mold, and it was so seamless, like easy. So my cubes have formed, they're now frozen. That's 2 days after, so you just need to shake it, just what I'm doing, that's it. And that's what my subscriber also was explaining. I can't remember this person's name. I think I'll look for that comment and put on the screen just to say thank you. Yeah, I watched the video. It's just to shake it, act as if you're trying to squeeze it or break it. Something is not actually going to break, but it's just going to shake the cubes and they'll all come out. I remember that day I was trying to take out my pepper cubes that I had made and I was hitting and hitting. My people perish for lack of what? For lack of knowledge. Anyways, this is how I make my cooking process easy. I freeze my ingredients and I use them when I need them. I just take out one and voila, food is ready. Thank you for watching this video and I'll see you guys on the next one.